dito? Tingnan mo!
On a random Wednesday, we decided to go to Binondo for food trip and sumakay kami from Recto to Binondo ng tuk-tuk for 30 pesos each student.
We grabbed dragon fruit juice and avocado juice for 80 pesos each. We only bought one per flavor so we could taste more food later.
Yan ang sinasabi ko.
Ang una namin hinanap yung Binondo Bites kasi gusto namin i-try yung Xiaolong Bao, which is sadly hindi namin makita. So, tumambay kami dito sa Angbitin kasi ang init sa labas talaga. Then, katabi ng Veggie Select, itong random stall na nagtitinda ng tiramisu cake and tarts. So, we bought one slice of tiramisu cake just for us to try.
Then next is the famous Veggie Select, which is plant-based barbecue skewers.
Ano talaga?
Dahil nga street foods to, walang mga maupan. So, dito lang kami sa gilid kumakain. Veggie Select for me is a 4 out of 10. Hindi ko masyadong gusto yung food. But it's a nice try. And nagustuhan siya ng mga kaibigan ko.
Binondo, tapos yun ng Italian. Itong Italian, nakaubo lang. May ice tea pa. Dahil ba humingi ng malamig na tubig? Malamig yelo. Lalabas ang sama ng loob.
They also tried this dried pusit, but I passed because it's too salty.
Then, nahanap namin itong Shanghai Fried Siopaw, which is really good for 35 pesos. Maliit lang siya, pero masarap talaga siya kahit walang sauce. Masarap din tong bicho-bicho. Ang haba lang talaga nung line, pero masarap. By this time, we were so overstimulated. The heat, the crowd, the non-stop walking, that we decided to skip the rest of the food spots on our list. Sobra ka! So, naglakad na lang kami ng mga at least 10 minutes papunta sa Pasig River Esplanade para rin makapag-picture sa photo booth sa nostalgia.
Ano ka? Ay, dapat sa baba tayo. Uy, ano yan? May edit sa camera, ah.
Maganda yung quality ng print dito, pati ng pictures. Wala lang talagang retake, so kailangan matino talaga yung face.
Diba? Halikuran. Halikuran? Oo. Halikuran. Baba! Baba! Hindi siya super dark.
Then, spontaneously, we booked a car to a cafe in Intramuros, which is totally walkable. Tinatamad na lang talaga kami. We ordered refreshers, which are good. But the cookie...
Thank you, Ben. Salamat, Ben. Thank you. Tingnan mo! Sobrang katigas mo.
Wey!
Sunga! O, tara mo ka.
Nag-book na naman kami para bumalik sa Esplanade because we want to see the night view there. And that's how my random Wednesday ended. Thank you.